Hi, today we look at how we integrate ln x. Ln x has a standard derivative that's 1 over x, but the integral is less well known. We can use integration by parts to figure it out. Let's try it out. So in your integration by parts formula, you can pick a u and a v such that the integral of u dashed v is equal to uv minus the integral of v dashed u. And in this case, you should always pick something that's going to be easy to differentiate for the value of v, because v is going to become v dashed, and something that's easy to integrate for the value of u dashed. Now notice we only have ln x here, so we don't have a second term. So we're going to change this with a clever little math trick. We're going to rewrite our integral as the integral of ln x times 1. That's the only thing that ln x is multiplied by. So ln x times 1 is going to do it. Ln x differentiates very nicely to 1 over x. 1 integrates very nicely to x. And so picking that direction for our integration by parts, we can say that u dashed is equal to 1, so that u is equal to x. And then we can say that v is equal to ln x, and so v dashed is going to be 1 over x. And substituting our values here, we can say that this is equal to uv, so u is going to be x times ln x minus the integral of v dashed u. So the integral of v dashed u is going to be the integral of 1 over x times u, which is x, and this is dx. So x ln x is going to be our remainder here, x ln x, that looks nice. And we have minus the integral of 1 here, because 1 over x times x cancels out, so 1 dx. So the integral of 1 is just x, so we can say that this is x ln x minus x, and we can always add a constant, but the integral of ln x is x ln x minus x. It's not very well known. We find it using integration by parts, and this is how you do it. So this is a fun little question using ln x as the function that gets differentiated and 1 as the function that gets integrated. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Mathemagic channel for more math questions. If you're doing calculus, learn the integral of ln x. It's x ln x minus x. See you on the next video.